Welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. I have this 2014 Buick Enclave. I just went and bought a key programmer and a key, and then I have the original key fob. So you need to have at least one working key fob in order to do this. And I'm going to follow the instructions and see if I can't program these. The dealership wanted $140 to program key fob. Are you kidding me? That's about $100 overpriced. This entire thing with the programmer and one key fob was $68. The other key fobs I think were $20 a piece, something like that. So I bought a total of 3 extras. I was thinking I just needed the 2 extra, but then found out they were going to charge that much. I went ahead and bought a programmer for $68 with a key fob. So really the programmer only cost $40. And well, anyway, they kind of ticked me off. Now, this will only work on a select number of GM vehicles. I'll put a photo, maybe I'll do it right now, of the ones that it works for. You can buy them for a bunch of different vehicles. With this particular one, you know, it's programmed for certain numbers. So this plugs into the OBD2 port. Let me show you where that is on this car. All right, Buick Enclave. Apologize, she's a little dirty right now, but OBD2 port right here under the dash. So we're going to plug this in, and the instructions are right on it. It's pretty simple. Let me read them to you real quick. I'm kind of reading it to myself at the same time here. So anyway, insert key, turn to on, but do not crank. So I'm going to do that. Apologize for the bing, bing, bing. And it says, insert programmer to vehicle's OBD2 port. Wait for the buzzer sound or red light on programmer. There's a little light right here on the programmer, so that should hopefully light up. Press and hold key fob, lock and unlock buttons simultaneously. The buzzer sounds and door lock cycle. Program additional remotes. Repeat step 4. Remove programmer from OBD port when done. So we're going to plug this in. Okay, it's in there. Red light's flashing. I'm going to press the buttons on the remote, lock and unlock at the same time. I heard the thing cycle. Lock, unlock. Now I'm going to try the secondary key fob. That beeped also. Lock, unlock. Let me do the other 2 while I'm at it. Okay, here we go. Well, that one took a little longer. Lock, unlock. And one more. I'm just holding both buttons at the same time here. Yep. Lock, unlock. That is it. That other bing, bing, bing you just heard was because we're literally low on gas. Had nothing to do with the programming. Okay, unplug this. Oh, that comes out hard. Okay, now let's see if all these remotes work. So, this is the original one. Lock, unlock, tailgate. Okay, and I got 3 more to try. Lock, unlock, tailgate. Okay, it works. 2 more. Lock, unlock, tailgate. And one last one. Lock, unlock, tailgate. Oh my gosh. 68 bucks. That was a really sweet tool. Super easy to use. Put it in, program it. I'm sure this works for many other vehicles. I mean, they have other ones that work. This one's for GM. up to 2015 on the Acadias and stuff like that. Again, I'll put a list, put a link in the description to the one that I bought. But okay, so I had to spend $68. If all I needed was one key fob, I'd have been done, and I bought the other two. But I'm not paying the dealership $140. He said, oh, it was like a week or two out, I got a schedule. Give me a break. You guys trying to rip people off or what? Now I've got 4 key fobs. I got an extra one, you know, in case, you know, you got to have one that works in order to, apparently in order to reprogram it. So if you're down to one, you're treading on thin ice. Otherwise you would have to go to the dealership. But no, this worked awesome. So thanks for following along. Like, share, subscribe. I love doing projects like this. Yes, I spent 68 bucks on a tool that I'll probably never use again. If I doubt I'll have another GM of this era, but that's better than giving the dealership 140 bucks. So thanks everybody. Have a great day.